Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Something. Today I'm sharing with you how to prepare a delicious and creamy non-spicy chili dip. This chili dip is popular amongst the Thai. It is good to pair with grilled fish and fried meats. The ingredients I have are 3 pieces of red chili, 4 pieces of green bird eye chili, 3 cilantro roots, cilantro leaves for garnishing, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 2 cloves of garlic. I have cut 3 pieces of lime into smaller pieces to squeeze the juices. Freshly squeezed lime juice smells and tastes sharper than processed lime juice. This is a packet of 120 grams peanut bar. I'll be using just 30 grams of the peanut bar from this packet. It is a popular Chinese and Thai snack made from peanut and semolina. These are all the ingredients needed and no cooking required. First, we are going to crush the peanut bar. Open the packet. There are 2 big pieces in here. I will take 1 piece and put it in another plastic bag. Now we are going to break it into smaller pieces with our hands. Next, put the whole plastic bag into a mortar and lightly pound it with the pestle until it becomes flaky. Some parts may become so fine like a powder, however, it is okay. As long as the pieces are not too big, continue to pound for 30 seconds. Now pour it in a bowl and set aside. Next, we are going to pound the chili and garlic. Use the scissors to cut the chili and drop it straight into the mortar. Do the same for the green bird eye chili. Add the garlic. Pound it for 1 minute. The chili mix will be slightly flaky like this. Now add in cilantro roots and continue to pound until very fine. When all the chili and cilantro roots are very fine, add in the flaky pieces of peanut. And continue to pound to incorporate them. Once they are incorporated, the mixture in the mortar should be quite thick like this. Now we are adding in the fish sauce and sugar. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice, squeezing them from the lime. Gently mix it with pestle. If you are not comfortable to mix it with the pestle, you can use the spoon to mix it like this. Now we can give it a taste. Wow, delicious. It is just nice. Not spicy. It is sweet, salty, sour, and very creamy with a very nutty flavor. Now I can dish out and serve. Add some groundnut for topping. This is optional. Sprinkle some cilantro leaf for garnishing. Let's give it a taste. I will have it with cucumber. Delicious. This sauce has perfect balance of tangy, sweet, and umami. It gives out just a little bit of heat to enjoy with fried meat or grilled fish. I love it. Thank you for watching. If you like this non-spicy Thai chili dip with peanut, please share it and subscribe for more of my home cooked recipe like this. Thank you and bye bye.